How was re-entry? Back to work, back to school? At least the weather was easy going, right? It'll continue to be also. I mentioned this a couple of days ago. A lot of you watch our videos. Thank you so much. You come to our website. You check us out on our app. If you watch on YouTube and you have a YouTube account, about 75% of you have not yet subscribed. So if you would click the subscribe button for the 1 Degree Outside channel here, that would be fantastic. All right, weather tonight going to drop down to the 40s again in a whole bunch of spots. Some of us will hang out in the lower 50s. I'll show you in a minute. Actually, this is kind of neat, though. 4:01 tomorrow morning and 5:35. 2 chances to see the International Space Station with a clear sky. It'll look really cool. It's going to come out of the northwestern sky. It'll head toward the eastern sky. It's only about 25 degrees off the horizon at 4 a.m., but that one just after 5:30 goes to about 85 degrees off the horizon, so that's going to be a really nice show. Again, overnight low temperatures for many of us down to the 40s. It's that dry air that cools off really effectively. Once again, like this morning, there'll be a little bit of fog near our bodies of water that are a little bit warmer. And then high temperatures tomorrow come to about 75 to 80 degrees, a light and variable wind, a sea breeze at the coast. And when you come into northern and central New England, a light westerly breeze through the day, but it is very, very light. Here's what I mean by that. Outdoor outlook, I know so many of you are going to school, going to work, but nonetheless, if you're going to enjoy some time in the mountains, you get temperatures running in the middle to upper 70s. Again, really light wind, no more very high or extreme UV index. That's down to high. Now, still enough to get a sunburn, but nothing like it was earlier in the season. Lakes region, air temperature runs 75 to 80. Water temperature has held on. We still had 70-degree water temperature all the way through this weekend. Now it's about 68. It may be a little bit cooler in the morning after the cool night. And you're actually running in the 60s still for ocean water temperature as well. All the beaches look really good. Light, feeble sea breeze developing during the course of the afternoon. Waves not really an issue, 0 to 1 foot, and that means rip currents not an issue either. It's going to be a similar start for the rest of us who are into the routine, which is you have the light jacket or the hoodie or something like that in the morning, and then you lose it and you have the short sleeves in the afternoon. If the kids want to do the shorts, they certainly could. It'll come near 80 by tomorrow afternoon. If you want the details for your town, I don't blame you. Nearly 30,000 of you now have downloaded our app. Thank you so much. You just go ahead and search Noises, 1 Degree Outside Weather on the App Store and Google Play. Have a great, quiet evening. I look forward to seeing you again first thing in the morning.